Sis, SSD, thank you so much. Ano pa akong XL dito? XL size ko this apple, 80 apple. Mine apple, 80 pesos. Next. Ano pa ako? Large XL, Kudis basic. 80 pesos basic. Silk Sislin. Sislin, yours po. SSD. Thank you so much. May dress ako dito, can fit to large XL. Siguro ko mga 33, 34. Stretchable siya. May na lang V-neck. V-neck, 140 V-neck. V-neck, 140. Next. Large XL, blouse 80 blouse. Mine blouse 80. Apple Sislin, SSD. Thank you so much. Large XL, kakaiba 80, kakaiba. Kakaiba 80 pesos, long top siya. Kakaiba 80. Ito po yung black ko pa na top. Kasya ko lang to, kakasize ko kayo. Mine black. Black 80 pesos black. Large XL, abstract. 80 pesos. Abstract, 80 abstract. Parang XL pa akong top dito. Sobrang cotton. Code ako dyan, cotton. Pasosyal siya. Cotton, 80 cotton. Mine, cotton, 80 pesos. Cotton. This one, large XL din. Mine, lavender. 80 pesos lavender. Large XL. Large XL ulit. Tuldok, 80 tuldok. Tuldok, 80. Mine, tuldok. Sando po, large XL. Mine, sando. 80 pesos. Sando. Comment more mga sis bago ako mag-flex. Uy, bakit ang ingay mo kung kailan kami?
Lucas, Daddy, go to the munch truck, and Lucas, go to the munch truck. Then Mommy will go to Lolo's car.
Okay. Small, medium. Ganda oh. Mine ako dyan, lemon. Lemon, 80 lemon. Ito magandang brand to ah.
Lucas, take a Ramos.
Mine ako dyan, office, small, medium, 50. Office. Office, 50. Office.
Mommy, I
Medium to large, black, 50 black.
Mommy, look at me. Lucas, Jacob Ramos.
Wow, good job.
Mommy, I talk to me in a munch truck like Lucas, Jacob Ramos. What are you doing?
Because I want to call you. Mine ako dyan, large size. Large, 80 large. Ganda oh.
You want to
Large,
to write
80.
letter?
What are you doing?
Small size. Kuda ko small. Full lace yan. Small 80, small. Mine small. Okay, mine free tayo mga sis.
Mommy,
Mine free po. Number 10, number 20. Mine free. Comment lang po mine free.
Mommy, 6, 7.
Come here.
6, 7, Mommy. 6, 7.
1, 2, 3.
6, 7.
Why should I that?
I told you how to 6, 7 up you. Like 6, 6.
Bit mo, fat mo.
Wait.
Oh!
Say that.
What's that?
Oh, yeah. Mine free po. Magsisale ako ng tops. Kapag nandyan pa kayo, 50 all tayo sa top. 50 all. Sa top po. Ayan. Comment more.
Kayo ma-asterisk.
Ayun. Sama na natin. Mind free or more. Comment po. 10 tsaka 20 comment. 10 tsaka 20. Medium to large. Naka-sale po. Pudo ko dito. Brown. Best fit medium to large. 80 pesos.
Brown ba? Pati yun.
Kaki na lang. Kaki. 80. Kaki. Meron tayo dito. Mind free. 84 minors. Ano pong bet nila? Marami pa tayong dress dito. Oh, hindi ko pa na-flex.
Enough.
Comment mind free po. 10 and 20
Water.
comment.
More what?
Sexy, 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 sexy.
Lahat na ininom.
Coca-Cola.
Ubus na niya.
Saan yun?
Mommy.
Sabi na lang.
It's okay. It's okay.
I
Kaki,
told
this is
you.
alpha.
You know, I told you.
SSD is alpha. Thank you so
I
much.
don't want to do
Ay, yun ang
it
free.
again.
Free cases. Chest cup. Ito na lang. SSD. Para casuals.
Lucas.
Okay. Save tayo ng tops.
I want
Flex ko rin yung dress maya-maya ha.
Game Boys.
Nagpahanap pa ng Bernox sa'yo.
Game Boys.
Mamaya na.
Game Boys.
Sabi mo na rin.
Game. Large XL size. Code is Burda. 50 pesos. Burda. Mine, Burda.
Saka yung isa, no?
Can fit XL to 2XL. Code ako dyan.
Kanina yung mind free.
Sis Chess.
Look at me, look at me.
Mine ako dito ng plus.